We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk.
Naman, siyempre, naintindihan ko rin siya. Siyempre, sabi nga, pag nagkakaedad, minsan, nagsusungit, alam ko na yun. Kaya pag nagagalit siya, hindi ko na lang pinapansin. Pag meron kaming hindi pinagkakaintindihan, hindi na lang ako kumikibo para hindi na lang humaba yung namin.
We're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay.
Mami, Daddy, happy 50th anniversary sa inyo. Sana maging masaya kayo. Tsaka ipapasalamat kami sa iyo na hindi mo kami pinabayaan. Kami magkakapatid.
Maging healthy lang at magmahalan hanggat huli. Sana mag-enjoy sila ngayon sa program na gaganapin.
Thank you po dahil na-invite niyo po ako, and I can see naman po na they're both happy, and sana po mag-live pa po sila happily ever after. Ayun lang po.
Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la.
Tsaka isa pa, sasabi ko, lalo na kung pagkao, dapat, kung may problema kayo, pag-usapan nyo sana, mo nang ipabukas. Kasi masakit din sa dibdib yun, di ba?
I'm just fine 'cause I got you. Rain got in my way before, pouring like a waterfall. I've cried a million tears and more to find out where I belong. We're not young, but we're still free and running, and this day has never kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night.